Hey, what's going on YouTube? My Supra has been running on HKS Catback exhaust for a while now, and I just finished a muffler delete to find out what that will sound like. This exhaust is the HKS-LET-T16, which is 3-inch diameter exhaust pipe with a resonator and dual tip muffler. For my muffler delete, I cut and welded up some spare 3-inch exhaust pipe I had lying around. Okay, so with this muffler delete, I have not encountered any drone when driving on the freeway, and it is easy enough to revert back to using a muffler since the connection on the exhaust pipe uses flanges. No cutting or welding is required, just a new gasket.